Automobiles today still use the same door principles as demonstrated by this 19th century Benz coupe, namely 2 hinges on the leading edge, 1 latch on the trailing edge, and no means of structural reintegration with the body shell. This really changes everything. On this particular model, we have chosen to eliminate the B-pillar and lengthen the door by 10 inches in order to increase access to the rear seats. These somewhat drastic modifications to the baseline vehicles have in no way detracted from the appearance of the cars. These prototype conversions work well for now, the floor and seats remaining in exactly the same locations as on the baseline standard Mark 8. However, the rotary drop door has been developed to be included in the design of platforms from the beginning. This assures maximum benefit from the technology in the areas of stiffness and lightness of structure, again rendering an overall increase in vehicle efficiency. In one original design, we were able to demonstrate the feasibility of employing a fixed structural belly pan by establishing new hardpoints from the onset, thus ensuring a normal ground clearance at all times. A further feature on our vehicles is freedom from door dings and the fact that it is virtually impossible to be parked in. You may also have noticed that the exterior mirrors stay in position when the door is opened. This feature allows the occupants to check for oncoming traffic until the last moment before leaving the vehicle. Sometimes the rotary drop door can be a godsend. All of our systems are designed to significantly increase vehicle safety, efficiency, and convenience. Whatever type of vehicle you choose to drive into the 21st century.